7352. You can slow them down. We have enough units on scene.
He showed your truck?
No, 317 and 615 and 615.
Let's secure this guy.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Ya feel your leg? ¿Todo el mundo adentro está bien?
Only two patients here. Delvis and the gentleman with the Cheesecake Factory shirt on.
Anybody inside got hurt?
Nobody inside the house is hurt.
All right, thank you. So a little package sheet from
The house is unoccupied here.
It's our little package thief from
The house is unoccupied here.
Is that the one on the video?
yeah.
Okay,
Mistaken. Isn't he already disabled?
No, tranquilo, señor.
7623, show you 1934, 7624, show you 9, show you 317. 35 over the record cost, 35 over the record cost, EMWCB versus the Ford F-150.
Talk to the homeowners?
I don't think there's anybody in here.
But no, there's like a baby crib right on the other side.
That's all you can say for now. 35 over the record cost, 30
Who are you inside the house? Yeah, I wouldn't be standing under that overhang.
That's all you have to say for now.
Where did this occur?
The driver of the
It started at our lot. So I'm in our RV because we have like a company.
What's the address of the lot?
That's all you have to say. Thank you. 3501
Get a video.
page 7620. That's all you have to say. 3501 River Market Foster J.
What time? Like around how long ago?
On at 14:07 because I heard our truck like reversing and it hit our other truck in the lot. So I'm like,
So he also hit another truck on
he hit
the
our
lot.
other. It's not damaged.
It's not damaged?
But he was reversing to get out,
Okay.
and he didn't like. That's how I can tell. I was like, he was a lot. So I literally go and I'm see the truck leaving, and I'm trying to get a lift to see if it's one of our guys.
Let me ask you were the keys inside the truck?
Yeah. So we just got like keys were there. It was on the.
But it wasn't in the ignition.
No. That wasn't in ignition. Because like I said, I was physically in the lot, like at the lot. I was just in.
Where in the car were the keys?
I'm not sure. I had to confirm with.
That's fine. That's fine for now.
I'm not 100% sure.
Okay, so you were in the lot.
No, in the RV. Like,
You were in the RV.
Yeah, there's like it's like
And
a
that's like
parking
the
lot.
office.
Yeah, right. I was in there. I'm just in there, and then I hear this shit.
It's stolen. It's stolen.
That's Delvis Gonzalez. He's an offender.
I'm getting his info now for the 22. We have two different cases here.
Yeah.
Okay, so keys were inside the truck. You hear the truck,
Yeah.
and then you came after.
Yeah, so I can't, I'm like, first I thought it was one of my guys. So I come out like slowly, I come out just walking, I'm like, who is? And then I see it start, and I'm like, and I kind of jogged to see like who it is. Then he kept going, like he looked and just flew the truck damn near me. I'm come. So I jumped out the way. The first thing is called 911 because I'm like,
Yeah.
he's in the truck. There's a camera in the truck.
And then you came after the truck or you heard the crash?
No, I heard the first crash when we hit our truck and all that. Yeah, like
No, I mean this
here.
one.
Oh no, I was on the phone with 911. They probably heard
Okay, you
it.
saw it.
And no, I didn't see it. I'm in the lot and I'm talking to him. I'm like, because I'm thinking, they're like, which way did he go? I'm like, I think east because he went up the backside. So I'm like, he can only go that way.
Yeah.
So I'm like, he went east. Then I hear like a, and then after that,
And then you came over here.
one of these guys that works at this company right here, because they know the company, because right across the street, they come over like, yo, your guy. I'm like, our guy? I'm like, no, that's our truck. So he said over here, and then he was just like, oh, he hit a car.
How did you follow him here?
No, our lot is across the street.
Okay, so he didn't make it too
Now,
far.
he tried to go back around this way, then he tried to cut across track, and he ended up running and hitting this guy.
Do you know this guy or no?
I
Okay.
don't.
Is he going to be okay? I guess they're treating him.
Yeah,
He's getting transported? Oh, no, it's this guy. I was going to say, I know him.
probably he's getting transported.
Was the vehicle parked or was he mobile?
Well, I was driving. I was just coming from work.
Okay. That was a really hard hit. That's the size.
47.
It's not even
Okay, and you're trying to get the video?
I'm trying, but it's not gonna load it because he unplugged
What's
the
your-
like he ripped out the actual.
Oh, so it has a
Yeah, that's
camera.
right, yeah,
Are you
like-
able to get the camera and upload it?
I'm trying. I don't know. This is our first year in business, so I truly don't know. But I do know it saves every type of clip. So whenever we're ever to pull the footage, it'll pop up. Of
Where are
all
you
that
able to pull the footage from? Like, is there a hard drive that's
It
not
should-
from this
like,
one?
It goes to. It's like, it goes to like, we have like an app essentially.
Yeah.
And then all the videos, like when the truck is active, it just starts recording. To pull the video, you can. I think I gotta use my laptop.
Your laptop. Okay. What's your phone
I'm
number?
pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, but I do know it just starts recording. But I don't know if you pulled it out before or
Yeah.
but it's like recording harsh event, but it's just no video because you yanked the actual
Yeah.
video.
Okay. What's your phone number? Okay. Give me a moment. Okay. Don't go anywhere.
Stole the car. He's going to jail.
This guy,
Yeah, the victim's here. He just stole this truck.
he's been caught on camera stealing
Stealing?
packages
Okay.
from in front of the
Perfect.
house.
Yeah, we got cases
I've been
on.
trying to catch him.
We got cases on him, okay?
I got his info already.
Did he tell you how the 22 happened?
Yeah. So the lot is right across, literally right there. So he said he was inside the RV, which is their office. He hears the truck starting, and he's like, wait. He sees all his people inside. He's like, who the hell's starting the truck? The keys were inside the truck, like not in the ignition, but they were inside. As soon as he heard the truck go on, he goes outside and he's like, oh, this guy's stealing the truck. So he followed the guy out in the truck. So like right there at the street, started calling 911. And then shortly after he heard the crash, so he walked over. It was only him.
Work, how you try to steal a car, bro?
Yeah, I guess so. Guys on scene, I believe everybody's out. Let me go check.
Yes, we're gonna send him for now.
Where's it going? We got everybody's on the vehicle.
76 20 and 74. They're out of the vehicle. Everybody's out of the vehicle.
Are
26 20 already.
we taking the 22? That's today?
Any unit runs to 317, Rick and back across to 3501.
What?
You can still down for
Right.
Any unit runs to 317, 3501, Rick and back across, you can still down for
Thursday is the
at
funeral, and Friday.
1645. Any major injury?
I need a confirmation because I never heard of funeral at that time. We're gonna drive.
¿Qué le pasa? ¿Qué le pasa, señora? ¿Qué pasó? Mira, señora, no hay herido, ¿ok? Mira el tamaño de ese carro, ¿ok? Si alguien hubiera estado parado ahí adentro, esto es material. Sí, por eso, no llores. Mira, todo está bien y eso es lo más importante, ¿ok?
Captain Foster, units arrival at 1646, 7620. All your units have made arrival. Kiss now.
I will stay here on 715 to James.
Sure, you can roll or?
Te mando la información del 22, del 22 for this.
9640.
Yeah. So, no, not this guy. This is the victim. Well, yeah, the victim for the 22. Si le quiere tirar foto.
Yes, okay.
Who do you assign to the
should be good.
Did you sign the detour?
Verify?
Did you sign the 15?
You have
ahí sale, sume.
bueno.
Negative. Okay.
I could have sworn you signed 17 to 4 to the phone.
Just gonna need confirmation.
Negative.
That's gonna get transferred.
You know who the guy is, right?
You have it today for this card, 839.
Doctor, no. I'm thinking 48, 7 minutes.
Yes, for the same thing.
15. I'll send her 15 here, that way they can follow the
Sorry, did I?
39.
Oh no, he's over there.
This person in the truck, damage.
Yes, sir. 7323, that's right there. He's gonna be seeing the unit.
Huh?
Yes, no, I'm
The victim said that he has video, but he probably has to go to get the...
7624 Kitchen. If you start a record for Echo Sierra Lima Hotel 10, and
This is where we start.
Hotel 4, Echo. Yes, two records at 60 and 48 minutes. 7620 Alright, 160 and 48 minutes.
Just to verify again, how are you coming? So I can let the officer.
I was coming this way.
This way.
Yeah, I was coming this way. I was just coming from work.
Yeah.
He coming to hit the corner. He's in the corner doing about 60. He comes straight at me. He hit me.
All right, boss man. I guess your wife will come in and she'll get all this stuff. All right. Good luck, brother.
Okay, sir, you can please do me a favor. Don't worry about this top part. All you're gonna do is this bottom part right here. You're just exactly what happened when you told me happened.
Enough on this little thing right here.
Just what happened, the part was you were on the lot, you saw a male occupy the vehicle and travel whatever direction. That's it. Not all of this. It's just from the moment that the car was stolen. Yeah.
You ran all the way over here?
No,
It's right there.
it's right there.
It's literally
So he ain't go far. So that's what I'm like, but it's just.
Good, you didn't get hurt.
Ran me over. Like, okay. But that's the least of my worries, because I jumped. I ain't about to die over it. Yeah, like I'm like, you got so I'm like, all right, you stole the vehicle. Like, it's on camera.
All right, Garzon. Let him fill out the paperwork, please. You're the 15. I don't like having next to you people filling out paperwork. Did they get him out yet?
Huh?
Did they get him out yet?
Yeah, information up.
Did you need the keys to the car? Is that how you took it?
Yeah, so I had it. So I got back from the job before I got back from the actual office.
Okay.
So they left. So they put it in like little, or like that, like the side hatch. So they put it in the side hatch. So when I got back to the lot, I went into the RV and I'm looking on my computer because that's how we operate. And then I hear doom, like, oh, the truck hit. So I'm like, maybe it's one of our guys. So I'll go out and I go look. And I see.
And then you ran after him? Is that where you
Yeah,
crashed?
so I know I don't run after him when he crashed. I like kind of jogged to see who was driving the truck and started speeding like a lot. So I saw him driving and he just damn near shut the whole over. So I stopped and then I called 911. You know?
So look, I'm gonna leave. We're gonna tow this. Regardless, you can't drive it.
Can you go to the lot though? Or no?
Yeah, well,
You gotta go somewhere to
you can't. Well, no, he can.
I don't-
It's literally right across the street.
No, listen, whatever y'all gotta do.
Where are we gonna take it? It's not evidence. Yeah, but if the truck's not evidence, we're not gonna hold it forever.
IBM 0243.
What are they gonna process it for? Fingerprints? We need it. We found it missing. Yeah, but where are we gonna take it to? Our house? No. We should take it, but we could request for the truck to. He could pay for the car to go back. It's like if we recover any other 20. Yeah, recover any 20. So this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna get a tow truck, or you could get a tow truck, but you can't drive that car without a windshield.
That's great. I didn't see like the actual front, so that's why I don't really know. That's cool. You got a tow. I don't know.
Well, fire has their guy coming to go.
I guess Fire will tell us when we can move the car, right?
Yeah. So that guy's gonna come right now. So this truck.
Where's the key? Let me have those keys. Yeah, I just want to make sure. I'm gonna give it to Rodriguez. We can't give him the keys, man. Should I give him back his car? Cover it on the seat.
Yeah, we can't move it.
Huh?
We can't move it.
No, not until Fire tells him. But once Fire tells him, he can do whatever he wants with the truck. He could either, and if he doesn't want to do anything, then we'll do a rotation. If he doesn't want to pay for it.
No, I'm sure you don't want his car. Even a rotation. He has to private.
He's gonna have to get, yeah.
Yeah, regardless.
So he could get his own, or we can give him. But I'll make sure that nobody moves it until Fire deems it safe.
7120. 7120. Has anybody put in a request for ID? Can I get their ID out there?
You think you're gonna need more space?
No, I'm almost there. I try to summarize it in like.
Okay.
Either he gets a tow truck or we'll call him.
Speaking of sergeant, this sergeant right here.
Valentine's Day, huh? Of course, I got dinner tonight. I'm about to be thinking about this the whole time.